Dear user, here I teach you how to connect MG236B access controller, connect with power supply, and how to connect with door lock for working. First of all, we need to connect power supply with 220 voltage or 110. Here we connect, and red light is blinking. Here power supply is power on. First of all, here have this type of door lock. We need to connect this door lock with power supply. Here one wire we connect with the GND, and other one is we connect with NO. And which three wires we need to connect with access controller. First wire I'll show you how to connect. Here you see plus 12 voltage, 12V. I connect yellow color wire here, and at power supply I connect to here. You see plus 12V, and second wire here you see PUSE. I connect here, and on access controller I connect this wire push/NO, and third wire for GND I connect here, and on power supply I connect it to GND here. That's all. Very easy connection. If you feel any problem for connect this door lock and MG236B access controller, here I show you how he work. Just connect. I already programmed this key with this programmer. When I swap, you see door lock is automatically unlocked. In next video I show you how to program this RFID key with this programmer. Okay, thank you for watching.